Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'd like to give an introduction to students to the blocks that are used in this specific course, which is Moodle for Teachers EVO 2018. Now in the centre is the main content area. We see the title of the course, the structure of the course, week 1, week 2, how to create video tutorials, certificate of completion. There's a video about the week 1 activity, the week 3 activity about blocks. And this is the content here for week 3 and all the activities week 2, week 4. If we go up to the top, we have some navigation, home, my courses, the main page here, and this is week 3. Over on the left you can see a block here. It's just a square box, rectangular box, a YouTube channel. There's activities, so you can select different activities, for example forums. And you can go to all the different forums. Resources, teamwork policy, interesting, team courses, PowerPoint presentations. Here we have the participants on the course, the online users at the moment. There's 3 online users. Comments. Block here, you can add in comments. And over on the right we have this nice logo or badge, the latest announcement, what's coming up, what we're doing at the moment, and the upcoming events, what's on the schedule, some important information to point the students towards, the latest badges I have as a student, and then Exabis ePortfolio. You can go into your CV, covering letter, education, employment history, and so on. And my portfolio artifacts. We're going to look at the ePortfolio a bit more later. And here's the search forum, to search the forum for keywords if you want to look for a particular discussion topic. And then at the bottom is the administration, unenroll, course administration. Question bank, which is default for this course. So thank you very much for joining this tutorial about blocks for students.